having a legacy behind you, you know.
Alright then, hi guys. I said I might be able to do this, but this is my parrot, Fernando. Hello. Hello. Aww. That's a little tickle. Wish I could boy. Like, this is my parrot, Fernando. My trusted parrot. He's 6. He's gonna turn 7 soon. And he knows basic English words. He can also speak a couple of other languages as well. We haven't given him the Welsh accent, mind, because we want to, people who want actual Welsh. But, you know, he's nice. Isn't he, buddy? Come on. When he gets angry, when he's standing up, you can tell because he actually tried to do a crane kick on you. Where you going, buddy? I hope he gets upside down in his cage, because that's when he starts saying every single thing he knows. Hello. Wassalamualaikum. Ano kumayan dia? Sangat. Good boy. Hello.